everybody, welcome back to my channel for Halloween. Today's look is a female version of Jack Skellington, a little Jacqueline Skeleton, a little Jackie Skellington, whatever name you want to come up with for her. I have done a female version of Jack Skellington in the past. It was a full body paint from like head all the way down to like my waist, like low waist. It was a few years back, but I was really proud of that one, but I wanted to do a new, like, more cosplay version, so that's what we're doing today. I am using my Mehron Paradise paint, which is a water activated paint, all over my face first, and then I'm going to be going on top of that with my Ben Nye Clown White, and I'm going to be stippling it on there, really stippling it on there so that it is an even coat of white. I find if you just use the paint and try to do layers of the paint, it keeps coming off underneath of it, and then if you just do cream, sometimes it's just not white enough or smooth enough. So if you do the paint first and very carefully stipple the cream on top, and then set it with a translucent powder, and then go on top of that with a white powder, that is my like favorite perfect recipe for like the most white ghosty face you can get. So, and then you look a little crazy, no big deal. I'm starting off by just kind of shaping out how I want the brows to go. I really didn't know what I was going for here. I know I wanted to like do a big smoky eye that replicated the size of Jack's eyes and the shape of his eyes, but I didn't know if I wanted to do eyebrows or not, but I was like, yeah, screw it, I'm gonna do eyebrows. So I'm just kind of getting the idea. I didn't finish them, I just kind of stopped right here and I started doing my eyes just to, I was kind of going back and forth. So I'm using my P. Louise Zero base. It's just a white base, it's my favorite eyeshadow primer, and I'm putting that all over and just blending it into the makeup as best as I could. And then I'm going in with this palette. This palette is from Rose Glam Boutique, but I cannot find their Instagram anymore. I got it last year from them. I don't know if you can find it. Let me know. That'd be great. But I had to use it for this look. I mean, hello, it's a Nightmare Before Christmas palette. So I'm just using a black shadow, really packing it on my lid, and I'm just gonna keep packing black shadow on, and I just keep going until I get the kind of like desired look I want. So I'm going very angular because if you look at Jack's eyes, you know, the shape is like, it's not a perfect circle sometimes, and I wanted more of that angled, spooky kind of Jack look. So I just keep packing the black shadow on and going to town. You know, who knows when I decided to stop, probably like 3 hours later. I'm just kidding. But it was probably a long time after. And then I'm just smoking out my lower lash line as well. I'm just using a black pencil and just really going to town, smoking it out. I think I might have used like a gray too, like a dark gray, just to buff the edges of the black out, but it was mostly just black shadow. I'm finishing the brows now. I'm just doing like I would normally do my brows, not this angular, but I just filled it in with a pencil first, then went in with a black eyeliner, and I'm doing really tiny, quick upwards hair strokes, and I'm just kind of filling it in, and I, you know, had it go along the shape of the eyeshadow too, and looky there! That's what I came up with. I really liked it. I love the shape. I'm doing the nostrils now, which at first they were looking not very cute, but I got the shape figured out and I liked it at the end. Once I did it, I'm just using my black Mehron Paradise paint, and now I am doing the mouth. I could have covered my lips, and you can do this if you'd rather. You can cover your lips and just do, you know, the whole line with the lines going through vertically. You can totally do that. I wanted to put lipstick on and make the character a little bit more feminine, but you know, you could even put the lines through vertically over the lipstick if you wanted to. But I just wanted my lips to be black and cute, you know, just a little glam. And so now I am painting the vertical lines through the horizontal line. I did 5 on each side. I went in first with the black paint, got the shape I wanted, went in with my black eyeliner, really defined the points, and just made it a little bit thicker on the inner parts as well, and made them come up to more of a point. And then I just used my black shadow and started defining the edges. I left a little white ledge between the black shadow and the black paint, and I went in with a white shadow as well and just really defined those white ledges to make everything pop out more. I really love the way it looked. Like I said, I wasn't really sure where I was going. I was just going. That's my way of doing things, you know, I just go for it. I'm contouring a little bit with a very dark gray shadow. I contoured my jawline. I also took the gray shadow a lot down the sides of my neck to give me the appearance of a much skinnier neck, like that Tim Burton shape. And then I also contoured my forehead quite a bit, but we're putting a wig on. Ta-da! Cute! I don't even need a wig. Who am I kidding? I'm using these one size lashes, but I realized I wanted to put some little, I don't know, lines around the eyes just to give them a little something extra. So I did that very quickly. I shaded them with a little bit of black shadow, and then I went in and did a little bit of shading on the inner brows to make them look a bit more angry. Just a tiny bit. I didn't want to go crazy. Then I popped these lashes on. I love these one size beauty lashes because they are giant. I mean, they like go over your eyebrow. These are probably some of the biggest lashes I've ever used, guys, and that's saying a lot. So I really love these. I also use a lash curler, an eyelash specifically for eyelashes to make sure everything's on my lash line perfectly and that the lashes are sitting good. I love that. I got that from Lashy Box. Now, oh, the wig. I love the wig. It's the perfect shade of white. I got it off of Amazon. I'm using my Kat Von D, sorry, they're not called that anymore, KVD Beauty Everlasting Lip Liner in Scully just to outline my lips. And then I'm going in with my Black Moon Cosmetics Sleepwalker black liquid lipstick. My favorite black liquid lipstick right now. But that is the end of this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. You know what? I'm a huge Tim Burton fan. I like all the spooky, cutesy stuff. I will probably do 100 more renditions of each of these characters from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Let's be real. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!